In this video, we will study about Yagi-Uda antenna. So, this is your Yagi-Uda antenna. We will test the parameters, return loss, VSWR, Smith chart. In that Smith chart, we can find impedance also. So, here you go to mode and select vector network analyzer. I will show you with very closer. I will bring it to closer. So, here is the vector network analyzer. Okay. We select vector network analyzer, booting vector network analyzer. So, it is ready. Now, vector network analyzer is ready. So, you connect your antenna to port 1. I am connecting just antenna to port 1. You connect it properly. Antenna connected. So, now you check S11 reflections. Range I will give auto, and I will select marker 1 and set to peak also. Set to not peak, minimum, because this is minimum. Set to minimum. So, that is minus 22 dB at 2.4 gigahertz. So, it will definitely works on 2.4 gigahertz. It's good, that frequency. And then I will show you that readings. You can see 2.4 gigahertz minus 22. And then next is finding a VSWR for the same antenna. Go to modes, no, not mode, measurements. Then here is the format. In that format we have return loss, same thing, SWR. Go to SWR. So, your VSWR, amplitude, range I will select auto. This is only up to 5 is there VSWR, 1 to 5. I will give auto range 1 to 16 now, changing automatically. So, lowest VSWR is, I will select marker, set to minimum. Set to minimum. So, 1.14 is the VSWR. See, I selected marker. At 2.4 gigahertz, 1.13, 1.1 is good VSWR. Very nice. If I will move marker, you check, see some other frequency, it is increasing to 2.21 gigahertz, it is 2.02 VSWR. So, it is increasing, it is very low at 2.4 gigahertz, 1.18. So, we find VSWR also. Then one more parameter we have to check, that is Smith chart. Go to measurements, format, Smith chart. See, here we are varying the frequency. So, complete from 1 gigahertz to 3 gigahertz, there is a lot of impedance variation is there. Still, very close to 50 ohms is 2.42 gigahertz, that is 44 ohms. I will bring very close to display. See, 48 ohms at 2.42 gigahertz, it is 48, 50 ohms, 49 ohms, 49, very close to 50. So, we find VSWR, return loss, Smith chart. impedance. You can see here is the 50 ohms. I will show you some other frequency also. Marker is the here. This is 1 Smith chart, 1 is here. When exactly 50 ohms means it will come to that center. So I will show you for some other frequency. See that marker is moving. Some other frequency, it is 28 ohms at 2.49 gigahertz. I will be moving marker here. The knob is there. So marker is moving like this. So see some other, here one more frequency 2.68, it is 14 ohms. So that means your antenna is not supporting to all the frequency. This antenna, not some other design, there may be multiple frequencies, maybe that is working. For this antenna, it is designed for 2.5 gigahertz and it is working at 2.4 gigahertz with 49 ohms impedance. For some other frequency it is reducing, increasing both. See here 22 ohms, 38 ohms. So all parameters are tested. Okay, thank you. Please contact us for demo, quotations, service, projects, internship for students.